Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
So let us now proceed to this one. Number 3, okay? Can you please answer? Which of these is a statement of the suspect? Acknowledging, directly acknowledging. I want you to underline this. Directly acknowledging his criminal guilt. Okay? Directly acknowledging his criminal guilt. What is the answer? Okay. Mexico, I like your active ka, no? Okay, lahat. You are all correct. So, acknowledgement, that is not the answer. Reposition, that is a statement or no, is in the form of a written statement as a documentary evidence to be submitted, no, by the form of parang similar to a affidavit. Tama kayo, confession. Okay? What is the difference between a confession and admission? Gaya ng nakasulat, when say about confession, it is directly acknowledging or the direct acknowledgement of guilt. Inaamin ko ang lahat. Ako ang pumatay. Ako ang pumatay sa kanya. So, ako ang may kasalanan. I want you to remember, confession warrants a conviction. Okay? It can warrants a conviction. So, unlike admission, it is a partial acknowledgement of guilt. Partial acknowledgement of guilt. So, pag-usapan naman natin, guys, no? Kasi, okay nang ba? Okay. Can you please answer me through chat, no? So, paano kung verbal lang niya kinonfess? Verbal confession. No, sa'yo. Oh, pinapatay ko. Is that sufficient enough? No? To convict him? Can you please answer? Yung tinatawag nating extrajudicial confession. Ano ang mga requirements para maging valid ang isang confession? Okay, guys? I want you to take note, no? Para maging valid, no? It should be, no? It must be, no, in writing. I want you to, no, to write it. Yon, nilagay ko na sa comment. It must be in writing. Okay? It must be, no, signed, okay, by the accused. So, it must be signed by the accused. Accompanied. I want you to remember, no? Very important. Accompanied, no, by his counsel. Okay? So, accompanied by his counsel or lawyer. So, remember that the confession, please take note of this. The confession, okay, is voluntary, okay, without any consideration. Without any consideration. It's voluntary, without any consideration. And the accused understand. So please remember that. The consequences, okay, of his confession. So I want you to remember that. No? So, una, it must be in writing. Okay? I am sorry. Okay, naka-private, no? So dapat laging ang aking no, ng aking chat. Okay? So, dapat wala. I'm sorry guys, no? It must be in writing. Okay? So, please remember that, no? It must be, no, signed by the accused. It must be signed by the accused. Okay? Accompanied by his lawyer. And the most important of all, it must be voluntary. And he understand the consequence of his confession. Okay? So please remember that. So, nababasa na yung comment ko. Okay, can anyone reply? So, okay guys, medyo okay naman ako mag-type, no? Sometimes because of connection, no? Connection. Sa akin mas okay para at least, no? Kung may terminology ako na sasabihin, matitake note yun ng correct. Okay? So, I think it is better na kapag abang tinuturo ko, tinatype ko rin. Okay. So, admission is a partial acknowledgement of guilt. Okay. He admit a certain facts, but not all. Okay, hindi mo inamin lahat. Hindi mo inamin lahat. Okay. Maybe there are some meron kang reason for that, no? Or yun lang man talaga ang participation mo. So, like for example, di ba? Kasi pagdating kunyari sa mga rape cases, pag ikaw ay lookout lang, okay? And then, yung mga kasamahan mo, ang ng rape, and you're just a lookout, you feel naman na dapat hindi ka parehas ang liability mo. Pero because of meron tayong tinatawag na principle by direct participation, principle by induction, principle by indispensable cooperation. If the crime would not be committed, pag hindi magagawa yung krimen, kung wala ang yung indispensable cooperation, okay, principal ka pa rin. Okay. So, inamin mo na, okay, lookout lang ako but hindi ako ang nang-rape. No? Sila ang nang-rape. You could become, no, there is a possibility that you could become a state witness because you are not the most guilty. Diba? You are not the most guilty. Kung kulang ang evidence against the accused, sa mga accused, kulang ang evidence sa prosecution, the prosecution could ask for your statement. Ang kapalit, you will become a state witness. Okay? Provided that hindi ikaw ang the most guilty. No? Isa rin yan sa admission. Sa admission, okay, you admit a certain facts but not the whole. Pwede rin inamin mo, like for example, no? Yes, ako yung nakausap, nakita nga ako, nakausap ko yung biktima bago siya namatay, but I did not kill her. Hindi ko siya pinatay. You admit, no, a certain facts but not the whole. For number 3, guys, the answer is confession. So please remember that. Okay, so in this one, what is the answer? Okay. The New York chief of detectives who introduced the modus operandi system in the field of criminal investigation was, what is your answer, guys? Anybody? So, Richard Henry is about the personal identification. This the first chief of the crime laboratory in the when Robert Peel, okay, when Robert Peel established the Metropolitan Police. Sir Richard Henry, no, was very famous. Isa lang ang nakayurak ng kanyang reputasyon. Isang case na hindi niya na-solve. Ano kaya yon? kaninong case kaya hindi niya na-solve? Ang famous case na I think na-solve na siya eh. Itong ano lang, no? Itong present lang na-solve. Ito na siguro mga last year. Doon lang nalaman nila. Yung case, no? Ni Jack the Ripper na serial killer. Di ba? During that time, yan nangyari during the time of Richard Henry. Yan ang naka-mantya ng kanyang reputation. Okay. Yes, Mexico. Your answer is correct. Thomas Burns.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!